So once Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he saw a dream that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is leading the Salah of Fajr, and he saw in his dream Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited certain surahs in the first rak'ah and certain surah in the second rak'ah, and then after the Salah he turned towards the musallis, and he was sitting with them. Then somebody came and gave dates to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam as a gift. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam took 2 dates and gave that to Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu. So Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu woke up, and he came to, and it was almost time for Fajr, so he came to the mosque, and this was the time of Khilafat of Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu. So Amirul Mu'mineen Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu came and he led the prayer of Fajr, and in that prayer he recited the same 2 surahs that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam had recited. And then he turned around and somebody came and gave dates to Rasulullah to Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu. So Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu gave 2 dates to Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu. So Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu was like, yeah, Amirul Mu'mineen, amazing thing has happened. I saw a dream, and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited the same 2 surahs. Somebody came, gave him dates, and then he gave me, and this was all happening. So, it was all happening. I wish you give me 1 more date. So Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu goes to him, had Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam given you more than 2 dates, I would have given them to you. He didn't mention that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave me just 2 dates. That's Umar radiallahu ta'ala already knew about.